Welcome back to Autoscope, the 2026 Ford Transit Campervan, convenient freedom. External design, sliding doors, wide sliding side doors that make it easy to enter the living area and load and unload cargo are standard features. The back door swings out. Windows and ventilation. It will be crucial to have well-integrated windows, perhaps with sliding or pop-out options for air circulation. Awnings. Retractable side awnings will be a standard feature to increase the outdoor living space. Roof racks. For additional storage, there will be a roof rack or rack system for moving sports goods, including bikes and kayaks. Layout and interior design. Fixed bed. Usually located close to the rear, this kind of bed can be either a fixed platform bed or a double bed across from it. A kitchenette is a portable or built-in gas cooktop with 1 or 2 burners. Sink, refrigerator, cooler, storage cabinets and drawers for food, cookware, and cutlery. Table that can be taken down or folded up for eating or working. EcoBoost Petrol Engines. The robust EcoBoost V6 engine is the suggested choice because it generates enough torque to sustain the weight of the campervan. Diesel engines. Some markets may still offer diesel engines as an alternative because to their higher fuel efficiency and strong torque. Automatic transmissions. A smooth shifting automatic transmission, perhaps with a 10-speed, will be standard for optimal economy. Powertrains. Rear-wheel drive RWD is a standard feature for weight-carrying capabilities. All-wheel drive AWD is a popular choice for campers since it allows access to farther-flung locations and enhances traction on a variety of road conditions. Fuel efficiency. Ford will continue to work to improve the efficiency of all of its engines. Driver comfort. Ergonomic front passenger and driver seats, maybe with heating and electrical controls. Infotainment. Ford's SY&C infotainment system will be offered as standard or optional and features a large touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, GPS navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay integration.